Two engineers run the same query on the same billion-row table. One gets the answer in 2 seconds. The other waits 2 hours, and gets a cloud bill to match. Same data, same SQL, same warehouse. Today you'll learn the difference: partitioning and indexing, the art of not reading what you don't need. Welcome to Golden Concepts by Uplatz, where we teach you the few ideas that matter most in every technology. Let's start with the brutal truth about big data performance. Databases are not slow because they compute slowly. They're slow because they read too much. When you query a billion-row table, the default behavior is horrifying. The system scans every single row, checking each one against your filter. It's called a full table scan, and it's like reading an entire library cover to cover to find one quote. Every speed technique in data engineering is really one idea wearing different costumes. Skip the data that can't possibly contain your answer. Costume number 1, the index. An index is exactly like the index at the back of a book. Instead of reading all 500 pages to find photosynthesis, you check the index, it says page 212, and you jump straight there. A database index is a sorted lookup structure on a column, say, customer ID, that points directly to where each value lives. Looking up one customer goes from scanning millions of rows to a handful of hops. This is the beating heart of OLTP systems, where speed on single records is everything. But indexes have a cost people forget. Every time you insert or update a row, every index on that table must be updated too. Index everything, and your rights crawl. Indexes are not free, they're a trade: faster reads, slower writes, more storage. Costume number 2, partitioning, the star of the analytics world. Partitioning splits one huge table into separate physical chunks based on a column's value, most commonly, date. Your billion-row sales table becomes hundreds of daily chunks, stored separately. Now run, total sales for January 2026. The engine looks at the filter, realizes only 31 chunks can possibly matter, and skips everything else: years of data, never touched, never read, never build. This is called partition pruning, and in cloud warehouses where you pay per data scanned, it's not just speed, it's literally money. There's one rule that makes it all work: your queries must filter on the partition column. Partition by date, then query by date, and you fly. Partition by date, but query by product, and the engine must open every chunk anyway, full scan, full cost. This is why date is the default partition choice. Almost every analytical question has a time window. Modern warehouses like Snowflake and BigQuery add their own costume, clustering, keeping similar values physically close together within the data, plus hidden statistics about every storage block, so the engine can skip blocks automatically. Different mechanics, same single idea: don't read what you don't need. Here is your golden tip. When a query is slow, don't guess. Every database has an explain command that shows the query plan, exactly what the engine intends to read. Run explain, and look for one thing: is it scanning the full table or pruning down to a sliver? That one habit, check the plan, find the scan, turns performance mysteries into 5-minute fixes. Let's wrap up with a golden concept in one line. Big data gets fast by skipping, not by computing harder. Indexes jump straight to rows, partitions skip whole chunks, and a quick look at the query plan tells you which one you're missing. Next in Golden Concepts, idempotency, the unsung hero that decides whether your pipeline can safely rerun after a failure or quietly corrupts your data forever. Subscribe to Uplatz and master the concepts that matter.